Peeps, we are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and even though you can't tell because it's still pretty bright outside, it's late in the evening. The park closes at 9 p.m. and we are going to hang out after hours because Busch Gardens is offering this thing called Coasters After Dark this summer. It's on the last Friday of every month, I think, and you get to experience certain coasters and rides in the park after the park closes from like 9 p.m. to midnight. It is a special, separately ticketed event, but it's pretty cool. We've never done it before. We're excited about it, and we're here to check it out and bring you along for the ride. Let's start our day checking in with Poppy and Shadow. Hey guys. Let's check in with Hops and Barley, see how these guys are doing. Hi guys. Gosh, they've grown up so much already. It's not part of tonight's Coasters After Dark event, but here early enough, might as well go for a ride on the Loch Ness Monster. The legend lives on. Heading into Ireland for the Killarney Irish Festival. And I mention Ireland because Eddie from Edutainment and I recently had a podcast where we talked about rumors and thoughts as to what could be coming to Busch Gardens in the next 1-2 years and beyond. And so I'm actually going to link that at the end of this video because you're going to want to check that out. We have some cool thoughts. We talked about some ideas that Busch Gardens itself has floated out to fans of the park. And so very curious, but we feel like there's something coming to this Ireland area. We don't know what. We have some thoughts. Check out that video, linked at the end of this one. We are not actually going to check it out today, but just started June 26th here at the Royal Palace Theatre in France is Kinetics, a new generation. It runs Thursday through Sunday at 8:30 p.m. It's like a nighttime acrobatic stunt spectacular. I've heard great reviews of it. Bears After Dark. So these are the rides that are included in tonight's Coasters After Dark event, which does not include Griffon. So let's ride Griffon before the event starts. Next up, Alpengeist, celebrating its 30th year next year. This is actually one of the coasters open for the Coasters After Dark event.
Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train with your head back against the handrail.
timing, it is just about 9 o'clock and heading into Oktoberfest, where the majority of the Coasters After Dark rides are open tonight. Looking forward to checking out Verbolten in the dark and Big Bad Wolf. I've never ridden Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge, at night. So we're going to experience that for the first time together. Getting Hollow Scream vibes. I mean, what is this giant crab on the floor? Why is there a giant crab on the floor? As you'll know if you watch or listen to our News from the Queue podcast, I have not ridden Verbolten at all yet. I was actually here for an event, a preview event, and the ride wasn't quite ready yet, so I was not able to ride it. I got to experience it, inside the building while it was running. It was an amazing experience. So tonight, in addition to being my first time riding Verbolten Forbidden Turn at all, it is also going to be my first time riding it at night. So I'm very excited to finally ride it and see what all of you guys have been telling me about. This is super exciting. And Coasters After Dark made it happen. There it is, Verbolten Forbidden Turn. It's finally happening. Remember, don't turn right. I'm literally turning left right now. Hi.
You're not laughing, and that makes me mad.
Oh, don't get mad.
Sorry. Frau Hexen will try not to fly off the handle. Get it? Broom? Handle? Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's a bad one. And there's Gertrude. Oh. In and out. She's cutting in and out. What happened to you, Gertrude? What happened? Broom seems like, oh, he's sleeping again. Every time I come in, Broom's taking a nap. I was so close to riding Verbolten. So, like I said, I'm here for the Coasters After Dark event. They scanned my pass at the front of the park, my Coasters After Dark pass, but apparently I didn't get a pink wristband, and they would not let me ride without my pink wristband. So I actually have to go back to Germany, get my pink wristband in order to ride Verbolten Forbidden Turn. So it's cursed. It is cursed for me. Wristband acquired. Now I'm literally racing against the rain because it just started raining. There's no lightning in the area, but I feel like if I'm going to ride Verbolten, now's the time. I'm going to cut through the shop.
Don't expect me to say the name.
It has happened. I have finally ridden Verbolten Forbidden Turn. It is awesome. It is awesome. And I gotta say, as impressive as everything in that ride is now, the thing that is most impressive is the giant tree reveal. There is nothing quite like that I've seen in this park before. It's really just breathtaking when you come in and that giant tree is there and then you go into its mouth. So, finally done it. Probably will ride it again tonight. Heading to Big Bad Wolf though, because again, I have not ridden that at night either. Let's check that one out. Heading in to the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. As you can see, pretty much walking. already like the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. I think it's a fun family coaster. I think it's an enjoyable ride. I really like the scenery. It is so much better at night than I even expected, and it's way better than it is during the day. Now, yes, you see a little bit less of the scenery, and the scenery is actually a very cool element of the ride, but it feels so much faster. And the way the wolf's eyes kind of light up the path in front of you is really cool, especially if you sit in the front row. So I'm really glad that we did that. There is whipping and nay-naying going on right now at the Busch Gardens Fest House. And bopping. All right. Next up, Darkoaster in the dark. I even enjoyed Darkoaster tonight at Coasters After Dark. This event has been fun. Like, everything is like 5-10 minute wait max. But I gotta say, I really think that riding roller coasters after dark really adds another dimension to them. They almost feel faster than they do during the day. Even Alpengeist felt a little faster, but like Big Bad Wolf for sure was great. During Coasters After Dark, there are actually a couple of food and beverage options open, including Bar Castle Spirits, that's open. And even though it's called Coasters After Dark, the swing ride, Der Verbolten, is opened, as well as the bumper cars are open. The pretzel place is open as well. So you can get some pretzels, pretzel sandwiches, pizza pretzels, all sorts of yummy pretzel options during Coasters After Dark. Again, that's tonight's event. Other evening events may be in other sections of the park, but at least for today, this is the food option, which is pretty cool. Taking a little break from the coasters to get a pizza pretzel. Comes with a side of marinara. All right, here is pizza pretzel, extreme close-up. Actually, it looks really good. It's not bad, but it needs a little bit of something. I'm gonna dip it in some marinara sauce and see if that makes it better. That's what it was missing. Just needed some marinara sauce. This is good. Gonna wrap up the night with one more ride on Verbolten Forbidden Turn while it has limited wait times and I can ride in the front again. This is how many people are gonna ride Verbolten with me right now. Really enjoyed Coasters After Dark. I mean, it is a limited capacity event. As you can see, the lines have been very short. Not a lot of folks here, which is great. Get to ride all these great coasters. The two newest coasters here at the park, Big Bad Wolf and Verbolten Forbidden Turn, with no waits whatsoever. It was definitely worth coming out. So hopefully you liked a look at Coasters After Dark. If you did, give us a thumbs up on this video. It really helps us out to know what type of content you like to see. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you are notified when we release that content. And if you're interested in checking out a Coasters After Dark event, there's a few more this summer, check out buschgardens.com. We're not sponsored by them or anything. We did buy our ticket tonight, but I'm glad I bought it. So, you know, and if you're an annual pass member, they have discounted rates. So definitely check it out if you want to check out this event. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Good night, Poppy and Shadow. I hope you enjoyed Coasters After Dark. Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.